What's up YouTube? My name is Avril de Gemmy and Other Hunter, and what I got to show you today is the Gemmy 2019 animated eyeball doorbell. I got it at the Halloween Exper because I live in Canada for, I don't remember the price. All it does is it opens its eyeball. Oh, and the doorbell rings and the eyeball opens and it speaks a couple phrases. Don't have much to say about it, so I will show it to you. First phrase. Next phrase. Alright, next phrase. Alright, next phrase. I think that's it for the phrases. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. But we'll play the phrases one last time. Right. Alright, and final phrase. So that's it for today's review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.